Good morning. My name is Luís Moutinho. I've been an academic for a long time. I've been a full professor for 35 years. And I feel very pleased, but above all, I feel humble by being, having been invited by receiving this invitation from Philip Kotler to become the Dean for Innovation of the new Kotler Business School. A Kotler Business School which has a global presence, but above all, that is designed to create a better world, to respond to the needs of human beings, of society, and the corporate world as well. We aim to create a new meaning of intelligence, augmented intelligence, collective intelligence between society, managers, stakeholders, students, academics, etc. We want to create an inspirational business school. We want to have a future-forward business school and at the same time a future-proof business school. Well, I've been working on future trends for 34 years now, mainly about 9 different domains, but one of those domains is about the future of university, the future of knowledge, the future of teaching, the future of academic research. And this is very important. So we want to capitalize on my ideas, but also the ideas of the people, including ground up of the students, to create a business school of ideas. For that new thinking, we have a number of issues that we want to pave the way and to implement, like curiosity-driven teaching, where the students create all the emerging problems of society or the companies. They actually encapsulate those problems and to bring into the classroom so that actually they tackle jointly with academics those problems. We want to create, just in time, the same, just in time education. Problems, issues that are appearing now and they're going to be addressed now, or issues for the future. We want, of course, to have technology-assisted teaching and learning. But above all, we want to co-create value. We want co-creation of value with the students. Students and academics ground up to create value, which means the content of the subjects. This is very, very important. And of course, we're launching new subjects. New subjects are very relevant, like the future of society, like emerging technologies, from holography to the Internet of Things, like artificial intelligence, like, biometrics, neuroscience applied to business. So all these are important. So we want to refresh the traditional curriculum of business schools to create a completely novel, neo-business school. And I'm there to help a little bit, to the much as I know, with my knowledge, with my experience, with my ideas as the Dean of Innovation. Thank you so much once again for the kind invitation.